Hi guys, today we will talk about one of my favorite growth stocks for the next decade. A stock that not a lot of people are talking about. I will show you why I'm bullish on them and why I think they can be the new Shopify or Tesla. Square is an American financial service, merchant service aggregate, and mobile payment company based in San Francisco, California. The company markets software and hardware payments products and has expanded into small business services. Square faces competition of small and large competitors such as business software companies, payroll processors, payment terminal vendors, and banks. They include PayPal and Intuit. Since its 2015 initial public offering, IPO, Square has grown rapidly into one of the largest and best-known payment service companies in the US, but it only recently achieved profitability. 4 years after going public, Square posted its first annual profit in 2019. Square's subscription and service-based revenue comes from sources such as its Cash App platform, Square Capital, and instant transfers. This revenue is comprised of certain transaction fees, as well as hosting and domain name services, gift cards, payroll services, and the Square Card. In 2019, Square generated $1 billion in subscription and service-based revenues, up 74.3% year over year. Subscription and service-based revenue was the second fastest growing category in 2019 and accounted for nearly 22% of total net revenue. Hardware is one of Square's smallest business areas, but it's growing steadily. Revenue rose 23.4% to $84.5 million in 2019 and accounted for about 2% of revenue. Since late 2017, Square has offered users of its Cash App peer-to-peer payment service the option of buying and selling Bitcoin using their balance on the platform. Bitcoin revenue soared 210.2% to $516.5 million in 2019. Bitcoin was Square's fastest growing category and made up 11% of Square's revenue in 2019. Square has risen 150% since the beginning of the year and 11,752% in the last 5 years. If we compare Square with PayPal, the difference in valuation changed dramatically during the pandemic. Square market cap is now $69 billion compared to PayPal's $230 billion. PayPal is now just 3.3 times larger than Square, rather than 4 times the value a month ago. That means that over the next 4 years, Square stock could rise 35% annually over 4 years to catch up with PayPal valuation. In Square's latest earning release, Q2 2020 from August 4th, Cash App gross profit grew 167% year over year to $281 million.
I asked them to judge me on my losers because I have so few. And in the case of Aerotyne, based on every technical factor out there, John, we are looking at a grand slam home run.
Cash App will represent 50% of gross profit of Square by the end of 2020. I will leave a link below that you can use to download your Cash App for free and get $10. With revenue like this, JP Morgan just raised the price target of Square to $172. With consumers' new mentality that paper cash is a carrier of germs, Cash App has been drawing millions of new monthly users. Between December 2017 and June 2020, they grew from 7 to 30 million, with over 7 million using Cash Card. With the war on cash still in its infancy, Square has all tools on their side. With elimination of cash in the near future, people having fear of touching paper cash after the pandemic, by 2021, global e-commerce could reach $5 trillion. Young investors love disruptive stock like Tesla, Amazon, Shopify. Rise of Bitcoin and potential for a cashless society. You smashing the like button and subscribing to this channel? There are a lot of things that can skyrocket this stock. I am definitely in it for the long run. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about Square. Thank you for watching. See you next week.